Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to check your orders on Temu Shop in 2025. If you order something and you're not sure where it is, stay tuned because I'll show you exactly where to find your order history and track your delivery in seconds. Let's get started. First, open your Temu app or go to the Temu website. Make sure you log in to the same account you used to place the order. Next, on the bottom menu, tap You or Account. That's your profile tab. Then tap Your Orders. Here, you'll see a list of everything you bought. Each order shows the item image, price, and current delivery status, like processing, ship, or delivered. To get more details, tap this specific order. You can now see the tracking number, estimated delivery date, and even contact customer support if there's an issue. If your item says delivered but you have not received it, scroll down and tap Report an Issue to open a support ticket. And that's how you check and track your orders on Temu in 2025. If this helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick app tutorials. See you in the next one.